Yep.
Yeah?
Yes.
Little flatty?
Little flatty dog. Hey? Look at that. That's just lovely.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good news story, isn't it?
Yep.
Hey? That's a good news story.
Yep.
Second or third cast in there.
Oi, 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 oi. First flatty.
Again already. That's the same one.
Hey, that's another one. That's another one. Go on, guy.
I'm trying.
Another flatty. Alright, we're out. Jake was well chasing a couple flathead today. The big question is, can you still catch flathead in the middle of January? Obviously flathead season, the peak of the season's June, July to September, November. We're out in the middle of January. Let's see if we can get the job done. Got him. Is that decent?
Nah.
Staying down?
Yeah, staying down.
I don't know if you need the net. Lift up. Jeez, he can gulp to that. Nice, mate. Did he have to put that in there like that?
Mm.
Then I'll just flick him off for you.
Okay, that works.
That works. See you later, fish.
Just give him a rattle.
Well done.
Thanks, mate.
Oi. Oi. Do you need a net for that one? Yeah. Yeah. I might get the net for that one.
Yeah, thank you.
That's a big brim, dude.
Big brim.
You can lift him in. Or do you want the net? Big brim. Wasn't expecting that. Oh, dude.
Chunky boy.
That's a crap. Watch your rod. Yeah, to get some drag out. That's a stonking brim. That's a good brim. Stonker. Oh, that's a lovely kiss. No. Yeah, you're on the weed.
Yeah. That's a fish.
It's a fish off the weed.
I thought it was the weed. That's a sizable one.
That's a net story. But we're getting there. A few leaves in here. Hope he doesn't care.
Nah, I think he's honest. Ta-da. There we go. That's better.
That was on the...
Yeah.
It was like that deep, wasn't it?
Yep. He would have been in 15 centimetres of water.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
The guy just got a cracker. I reckon he's pushing 50, maybe 49. Guys is using the Hulk prime. He just switched to motor oil. The sun's come up in that UV colour. And we'll put him on the brag mat. We'll get this hook out of him quickly. I reckon he's close to 50. Been a while since I've had this brag here. It's been a while between fishing trips. It's a bit crinkled up. 48. Got to be happy with that. We'll get a photo and we'll put him back. There you go. High 40s model, cracking fish, throw him back. Beauty. Here's this, just fishing this weed edge here. It's low tide, and there was just stacks of bait. We just knew with the amount of bait there had to be a couple flatties sitting here. So we're going to keep peppering it, see if we can get a couple more, but that's a good start. 5 fish in 20 minutes. Suddenly you've just overtaken me big time and landed a big brim and a big flatty.
Yeah.
And I'm just...
Oh, that was back to back too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You...
Oh. Hang on, that's 3 in a row.
Oh. That was probably my fault because I gave it fast and you couldn't keep finding. It wasn't anywhere like the last one.
Yep.
I gave Guy a high five, made him stop winding, and then he lost pressure and lost the fish. That's what happens. You can't catch 3 in a row if you're on my boat.
Yep.
Although you did gain pressure again and then it spat it.
Yeah, look.
But that's probably my fault. But...
Yeah, I told you here fishy was gonna work.
I'll get the net for you. It's got a little bit of weight to it.
A little bit. Come on,
Hey?
yeah, nothing like a here fishy.
And the lure come out. And he just spat out a bait.
I love that.
Guy over mid-40s. Smoking me at the moment. He's on the back.
Bosh.
Whew. Come in here. First up in the morning. One guy, one. I'll get rid of that. That's good, mate. Well done, mate. That's it, keep him down. Oh no, big time, mate. That's it, good job.
Yep, got him. Alrighty, that's 6.
Yeah.
We made it.
And that's the size you catch in here.
What's in there with him?
He spat a flounder out.
Little
That's a
baby
flounder. He spat a flounder out.
Ah.
Did you go to wind that and you're like, where's my lure gone? Yeah, 50. That guy. Let's get him on the brack. Yeah, that's 50 all day. That's probably 51, 52. He's not happy. The guy's been using the Hulk prawn. Let's get him on the brag. Let's see if you've got a 50. Has guy got his 50? Looks very close. I'll tell you what did I say, 51? 51. On the dot. Alright, you can hold him up for a photo and then we'll send him back. There's Guy, he's got a mid-40s, a 48 and now a 51. He's killing me. See you later. There he goes. He's very lucky we're not keeping a feed, that guy. Alright, that's going to do it for myself and Guy today. A nice session on the Flathead. Proves that you can catch Flathead even in the middle of January, but it is super hot. It's like, I don't know, 30 something degrees now. It's only 9 AM and I packed 2 right shoes, so I don't have any shoes on, and this carpet is burning my feet now, so we're going to head off. But a super successful day. Guy ended up with 45, 48, 51. He smoked me. I only got a couple small ones this morning, but just proves you can catch fish in the middle of the day in January. So yeah, a good session, and cheers for watching. We'll catch you next time.